let's start by adding the switches. Before that, actually, I want to create, so I'll create a group switches and I'll add on all device types, and I'm going to create locations. I'll call enterprise, same Bluetech enterprise, and this is going to be part of locations. And yes, that's it. So if it's a switch and it's part of Bluetech enterprise, I'm going to create some policies on that. And now let me add the switches. So start with Bluetech switch 01 plus 10 65 74 201, and this is just call URL. Probably this is 1502. Yep. And this is part of Bluetech, and it is a switch for radios. My shared secret, it's CCIE 21. Sure is okay, and I'm going to leave everything to default. I'm going to duplicate this and just change here, and this is 2. Everything else is the same. I'm going to do the same for 3. Into this 3. Okay, and actually now I need to add sorry, routers group, routers. Okay, so I have switches and the routers. Okay, so I have these groups. Now I'm going to create an authentication sequence source, identity source sequence. So I'm going to add a new one. Going to be authenticator source, and it's going to rely on AD and internal endpoints, and do not access other stores. And now as for Linux PC, we're going to authenticate based on MAC, so based on MAC address. So I need to get its MAC address and switch to show MAC. Is it off? Or is it on? Can I see it here? Oh, can copy. So it's 50. 0. Oh, I have it here already. State assignment. So this is going to be Linux workstation, and it's part of workstation. Okay, now it's done. So I have my authentication source and I have my network devices. So now we can start creating the conditions and the result in order to proceed with the policy set that will validate the user identity.